Dive into the future of fish care with smart feeding. Welcome to Aquarium Success 2.0. Ever forget to feed your fin friends? Smart feeders are here to save the day and your fish. These gadgets aren't just clocks, they learn and adapt to your fish's hunger habits. Overfeeding, underfeeding, wave goodbye to guesswork and water quality woes. Perfect portions every time ensure your aquatic life thrives and your tank stays pristine. With a tap on your phone, feed from anywhere, giving you peace of mind and your fish their meal on time. Vacation mode on without the feeding fret? Smart feeders have got your back. Keep your underwater world vibrant and healthy with every nibble tailored to your tank's needs. It's the small scales that make the big picture. Transform your aquarium with smart feeding. Dive out with confidence, knowing smart fish feeding is the wave of the future for aquatic aficionados like you.